Yeah. Okay, well now that I'm all minty fresh, let's make some minty fresh cookies. All right, so here for our ingredients, we have 1 square of unsweetened baking chocolate, melted, half a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of shortening, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of mint flavoring, 2 cups of flour, 1 egg white, and some green food coloring. Okay, for mixing our dough up, we're going to add the butter, the sugar, and the shortening to a large bowl and beat those together until they're nice and fluffy. And then add in the egg and the mint flavoring and mix that in. And then gradually add in the flour just until it's combined. Then we're going to divide the dough in half. And to 1/2, you're going to add the green food coloring. And the other half, you're going to add that melted chocolate. All right, I'm going to start off here and add in our shortening and our butter and our sugar. All right, and now the mint flavoring and the egg. Boop. Okay, and as usual, I'm only partially prepared, so I'm going to go grab a rubber spatula real quick and scrape that down. All right, and now we'll gradually add in that flour. All right, and now I'll take out half of the dough here, and I'll do the green food coloring first. If you're doing this in the same bowl like I am, I'd recommend that you do green first because you're not going to get all the green out here, but it'll get swallowed up by how dark the chocolate is anyway, so it doesn't matter. If you did the chocolate first, then any remaining chocolate would make the green darker than you wanted. But if you don't care that the green gets darker, then do whatever order you want. been sitting out for a while since I melted it. I got a little more thick than I'd like, but should be fine. And chocolate too thick. All right, and there we go. All right, now that that's done, we're gonna grab some wax paper, and between two pieces of wax paper, you're gonna roll out each half of the dough until it's in about a 10 by 12 inch rectangle. And then with one of the pieces of dough, doesn't matter which one, you're gonna brush the whole top with egg white, and then lay the other half of dough right on top of it. And then from the long edge of that dough, you're gonna roll it up, and then wrap it up in wax paper and throw it in your fridge for about 3 hours until it's solid. Wee woo, red alert. I finally have a new camera angle. Oh my God. That's what you get. Every 20 episodes, I promise at least one new camera angle. Okay. I'm going to start with the chocolate here because I think I actually have slightly more chocolate dough than I do mint, or green anyway. That's good enough for me. So, remove that. Now, let's see how well I can get this out of the way here. Okay. Hold dough gentle like hamburger. Okay. So, forgot to mention earlier, you actually brush both of the tops of the dough with egg white. So, start with the first one, brush with egg white, lay the second one over, then brush that with egg white, and then roll it up. I don't know if any of you have ever wondered what the hardest part of doing these videos is? It's right now, because my back is killing me. Okay, so it might have a few little patches missing there on the outside. That's totally fine. Once you cut them up, it'll look just fine. Because each cookie's only going to be about like that wide. So, all right. And now we'll throw this in the fridge for about 3 hours until it's firm enough to cut. Okay, and now we'll take our dough out of the fridge, unwrap it, and then we'll cut it into 1/4 inch wide slices and lay those out on ungreased cookie sheets. And we'll preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until they look firm. And take them out and move them to another surface to cool. Okay, then we'll throw this in the oven. Okay, there we go. Don't those look awesome? So next week, we're going to be baking up some pumpkin seeds. It's a great way to use up all those pumpkin seeds you might have from carving out a pumpkin, or using a pumpkin for a pumpkin pie, or just, it's a great treat to have anyway. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.